Hi, dear children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today, in this video, we are going to learn a new lesson, the wonder called sleep. Are you sleepy now? Sleep has its own role to make one feel refreshed. Sleep is termed as the unconscious state of rest. A good sleep gives us rest and calms down our mind and body after a day's tight activities. A series of things happen to us during sleep. During sleep, we dream, muscles are relaxed, brain feels refreshed, heartbeat becomes slower, blood pressure and temperature of our body fall down. The wonder called sleep. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest, an unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the day's activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. From these paragraphs, we can understand that though we are not aware of the reason for sleep, we all know what it is. It is a state of unconscious rest. Our body heals itself from day's fatigue and feels refreshed after a good sleep. We get ready for the normal activities of the day after having it. When we wake up in the morning, it's not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. That means once we wake up, we are unable to recollect the happenings while we were asleep. We may recollect a dream, but other than that, sleep denotes a darkness in which nothing seemed to have happened. Can you recollect your dreams? See the next paragraph. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, muscles relax more and more. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our temperature and blood pressure go down. The ever-active brain also slows down so that we can't think or act consciously, but we dream. This paragraph says that many things occur to our body during sleep. Our muscles get relaxed, heartbeat gets slower, temperature and blood pressure of the body falls down. Even the activities of the brain get slower to stop us from thinking and acting. Let's move on to next paragraph. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal. Our heartbeat and breathing also become normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most, if not all, the dreams that we had while sleeping. That means the moment we wake up, the temperature of our body and blood pressure get normal. Other phenomena like heartbeat and breathing also get normal, and we forget most of the dreams, if not all. Then see the next paragraph. What's a dream? It's an activity of the mind that takes place when we are asleep. Some dreams are probable while others are not. That only means that many of the things that happen in dreams could happen when we are awake. Others could not. Dreams seem to be important for several reasons. One is that a dream can help us to sleep through noise or other disturbances. For example, the alarm clock rings, but our mind causes us to dream that the telephone or doorbell is ringing and that we are awake and answering it. We can understand from this paragraph that dream is nothing but an activity of the mind during sleep. Some dreams are possible while some are not. Some dreams can be realistic Dreams are important for several reasons. They help us sleep through any noise or disturbance too. When we are asleep and the alarm bell rings, we dream that the telephone bell or the doorbell is ringing and we are awake and we go to answer it. Is this happened in your life? Certain doctors have found that one's dreams often reveal a great deal about one's problem and that if understood correctly, they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. But we must remember one thing. Dreams cannot be used as a way to tell the future. They simply can never tell the future. See, some doctors say that dreams throw light upon one's problems and sometimes the solutions are also hidden in the dreams. But although dreams may reveal problems, they just can't predict our future. Don't think so. Someone believes that one day my dream will come true because yesterday I dreamed something happened to me. Something like accident, somebody tried to kill me. So he's worried and he's thinking that it's going to happen in his life. Isn't it? It's not going to happen. Our dreams just can't predict our future. Okay? See the next paragraph. Sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder and power of sleep? Many poets have written beautiful poems about sleep. Here is one in which the poet is describing the experience of falling asleep. See, sleep is a phenomenon that happens to everyone. All of us experience it, but hardly any of us is able to think and talk about its power. Many poets have written poems on sleep like the following. Lights out. I have come to the borders of sleep, the unfathomable deep, forest where all must lose their way, however straight or winding, soon or late, they cannot choose. There is not any book or face of dearest look that I wouldn't turn from now to go into the unknown. I must enter and live alone. I know not how. This is written by Edward Thomas. Did you like this poem? Anyway, let's discuss the question answers. See the first question. What is the most obvious advantage of sleep? The most obvious advantage of sleep is that it makes our body and mind relaxed. The next one, what happens to our body when we sleep? It goes to an unconscious state of rest. Body recovers itself from all the fatigue because all the phenomena, temperature, respiration, blood pressure, brain get slower during sleep. Next one, define a dream in your own words. A dream is nothing but an activity of the brain during sleep. Fourth one, why are dreams important? Mention 2 reasons. They are important because they take us to sleep easily in spite of all the disturbance and they reveal many problems a person is going through in his waking life and sometimes can figure out the solutions as well. Last one, why has sleep been called a wonder? It has been called so because of its healing ability and the power to make one feel refreshed and relaxed. So these are the question answers you have to find out from your textbook. Let's wind up today's class. Hope you have enjoyed. Okay? Have a nice sleep. Thank you.